and gentlemen, Devin from Decon here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of Ember's temperature control ceramic mug, aka the Smart Cup, as I like to call it. This is going to be a very quick video, and I won't talk your head off, as I plan on doing that in my review video, which we'll post in a few days, so keep your eye out for that. If you're interested in picking this cup up for yourself, you can grab it online from Ember's official website, or locally at most Starbucks, which is what I did. Well, I'm going to leave you guys be. Enjoy the music, and please leave a like if you enjoy this video, and don't forget to mash that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.